Well, here we are already into July of 2023, and today is time for a market update for what's going on here in the Lakewood Ranch area. So, if that's of interest, stick around. I have all the details. Hello, it's MarkBoehmig, Michael Saunders and Company. And in this channel, Living in Lakewood Ranch, we cover all the areas around Lakewood Ranch from Sarasota up to Bradenton and from Anna Maria Island down to Siesta Keys. So today I wanted to cover with you what's going on here in the market in Lakewood Ranch. I know we have a lot of buyers and sellers here that are keeping their finger on the pulse to see what's going on. Is it the right time for them to buy? Is it the right time for them to sell? So hopefully this information will help you make that decision for yourself. So let's get into this. So these are as of June, the end of June of 2023. And as you can see here, we had a total of 92 sales, which is reflected down here at the bottom of the column on the right. We had a total of 92 sales, and that is the exact same number as we had the month before, and there was 94 in the month before that. So our sales numbers are remaining relatively stable. We had current inventory. Our inventory was up a little bit. We had 157 homes. Now, this is just single family homes. This doesn't have anything to do with the condominiums that are here in the Lakewood Ranch. This is just for single family homes. So we had a total of 157 on the market. And then we had 57 of those homes go under contract. Now, that's down a pretty good bit from 82 the month prior. So what about price? Price per square foot. As you can see, this graph seems to fluctuate quite a bit, and it's usually determined by the number of higher priced homes or lower priced homes that are on the market that actually get sold during the month. So our average price per square foot last month was $365. So that is down just slightly from the month before of $390 a square foot. And it looks like during the last year, we had a high of $413 a square foot, which was in October of 22. So our next chart is going to show us what is the average days on market and what is the list price to sell price ratio. So our days on market is actually going up. So that shows that there's a little bit less activity. The buyers have a little bit more to choose from, which is indicated by that number of homes that are on the market that's gone up. That you saw on the last slide. So right now it's taken an average of 60 days for the homes to go under contract. And the average list price to sell price ratio is 94%. So I know you've noticed that in my previous market updates, I let you know that that is the list price at the time that it goes under contract, not the original list price of the home. So what about average list price, sales price? So our average list price last month was $1,380,000. The average sold price was $917,000. In the median price, that house that fell in the middle was $780,000. That was slightly up on the median price and slightly down on the actual sold price. And what about inventory? Well, as you could see that we went up the number of homes for sale. So we're at about 1.7 months supply of inventory, which is still a seller's market. Now, there's different people say different things about what is a balanced market, what is a neutral market. But Trend Graphics says right here, it says a neutral market is 3 to 6 months of inventory based on closed sales. So if you have less than 3 months, it's a seller's market. And if you have more than 6 months, it is a buyer's market. So the stuff between 3 and 6 months is what they call a neutral market. We have enough buyers and sellers that it equals out. So right now, because we're at 1.7 months supply, we are still in a seller's market. Now, a lot of that is determined by the interest rates. Interest rates here are running today about 6.9%, and today is the 19th of July. So our interest rates are still up a little bit. And as you know, historically speaking, interest rates usually over history average between 5 and 6%. So we are still a little high on our interest rates, but we do have a lot of cash buyers here, which is why I believe that our home prices are remaining stable and that we're still having a fairly good number of sales. So I hope you got good value out of this video. If you did, just click that little subscribe button, ding the little bell every time we put on a new video, you'll be notified. And if you find yourself coming to the Lakewood Ranch either to buy property or if you currently live here and looking to sell property, I'd be more than happy to help you out. Mark Boehmig, Michael Saunders and Company.